maybe possibly rebuilding the engine. Not sure yet. All right, guys, this is where we're at. So I pulled the front bumper off. I pulled the left headlight out, or the right headlight out. Both quarter panels in the hood. And yeah, we're looking at a pretty bent unibody right here. Right there. It's really easy to tell. It's just not good. Versus over here, it's pretty straight. There's no damage over here. Damage starts here, as you could tell from this being all wonky. I'm gonna try my best to straighten it as much as I can. I hope it turns out well. So it's not quite perfect, but it is much better than it was. I'm happy with that. All right, everybody. So the engine's out. I'm gonna try to work on a couple things with it. The rear pan gasket's leaking its ass off, so try and fix that. And then we got really bad motor mounts. They're done, so I'm gonna have to order some new ones. But while I'm in here, I'm gonna try to address a couple other like small leaks. Like I think I just need to put Teflon right there. Stuff like that. It's really hard to get to when it's in the car. So I just pulled it. Yeah, you can see this motor mount's the same way. There's also a leak coming from the sandwich plate right here. So I'm gonna try to address that as well. In the engine bay, I need to flush out my radiator because I ran water in it a little too long, and when I tried to drain it, it was crusty in there, like full of that like water sludge. So I'll flush that out. I'll probably end up spray painting some stuff in there. I ended up changing the shifter boot seal on the transmission, so that's all brand new now. The old one was non-existent. But yeah, you can see how much it was leaking in the bell housing. The oil in the bell housing, it's bad. By the way, I have hair again. No, I'm gonna take my time with it and really do it right. It's probably not gonna be a while till I put the engine back in. I'm excited, man. This is the first time I ever pulled an engine out. It's crazy to like look at it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Alright guys, the oil pan is off. I have cleaned up, to the best of my ability, cleaned up. I'm changing the oil filter, don't worry about that. But I've cleaned up the back plate. I think the nut in there just came loose, so I tightened it a lot. Windage tray's off. I got the front and rear pan seal out right there and right there. So those have to be changed. I'm gonna clean this whole surface up. But yeah, look underneath the Miata engine here. Pretty cool. Oh, I should probably take this off, huh? So yeah, next up, go buy some VHT for the old pan there, and put the windage tray back. My pickup tube has some shit in it. Yeah, see, it's like RTV or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna clean the whole pickup tube out. So I need a pickup tube gasket. I need RTV. I need a front and rear oil pan gasket. Oh, I put some Teflon on that fitting right there, that blue one. So that should be all pretty good now. Oh, I need motor mounts too. I'm gonna go ahead and make a list of all the shit that I need to get at the parts store. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to the parts store and either I'm gonna either order everything or just get it locally. But I think I'm gonna order it just for the cheap aspect, because I don't mind waiting. I don't. It can stay right. It can stay like this as long as it feels like it's not bothering me. Man, this is fun. Doing projects like this. Man, it looks so good. And for everybody wondering about my eBay Turbo, my eBay Turbo has 0 shaft play and still spins fine, as long as you feed it good oil pressure. And I have a 94 block, so I have the oil pressure tap here. I'm excited, man. Things are moving along. Kind of a mess in here, like a lot of a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and order some parts, and we'll get back to it as soon as I get some parts in. So it's pretty much gonna sit just like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't been recording much at all. I've just been working my ass off at work and then coming and working on this whenever I feel like it. As I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Later. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one.